Hey, how's it going? You made it to the best Python tutorial on the entire web. In today's tutorial, we will be installing Python and Pycharm for Windows 10. So without further ado, go ahead and open Google Chrome. Just look for Python, simple as that, on the website. And we will be going into the Downloads tab. Click on Download for Windows. And for this though, go ahead and click that. Now, this is the very important part. We definitely want to hit Add Python 3.7 to path. Click Install Now. Grant permission yes. And just sit here and wait for a few seconds. Okay, here we are. After waiting for that, we're going to click Close. Now, we have to make sure that it's actually installed. So what we're going to do is click on CMD right down here, open up command prompt, and what you want to write is Python --version, and right here this shows what version of Python we have installed. This is very important because without this it means we don't have anything. So now that we have proof that Python is installed, we're going to go ahead and download Pycharm. And this is pretty simple as well. Go ahead, click on this big download button. Alright, here we are. Make sure we are in Windows, Professional. You can look into that later. That's not important right now. Community is the one we'll be using today because it's free and it's what most of the people use. So we will go ahead and click download. And down here, we just wait for it to load a little. Okay, we are set. Go ahead and click that. Wait a little again, and just keep clicking next. Try and keep track of where the file path is so you don't lose it. In mine, it's in C drive, program files, JetBrains. You get the idea. Go next. Create a desktop shortcut because why not? Create a d.py associate, and that should be good for now. Go ahead and install. Okay, boom. We have finished this. We can go ahead and just run it right now. Click on finish and it will pop up any second now. Oh, there we are. This doesn't really matter. Just go ahead and click OK. I confirm. Continue. Don't send. Wait a little more. This is pretty cool. You get to choose which theme you want. You can do light or dark. I'm going to pick dark because it's better for my eyes. I'm just going to skip remaining and set defaults. Okay, now let's go ahead and create a new project. And let's call this project Hello World. Okay, now that it's done loading, I'm just going to close it because I don't need these tips. And this part was a little tricky for me in the beginning, but once I got it, it really wasn't that bad. So you're just going to right click on the Hello World file, the one we just made. Click on New, Python file. Go ahead and name it, I don't know, hey. Okay, go away. Okay, now we're going to write our very first Python program. You can tell I'm very excited about this. So go ahead and click print. Open parentheses, close parentheses, and make some quotation marks. Click hello or whatever you want. Click Control S to save. Now, you're probably wondering why this doesn't work. That's because the computer doesn't know which file to run. So that's an easy fix. You just click on hey.py, right click it, and if you go down here, you'll see the Run Hey button. Click that, and oh my goodness, hello's down here. It worked. Control S, make sure you save it. And now this button works. See? Hello? Wow. Alright. Well, that's pretty much all I got for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.